Home Show.
Dennis from Sugarland has a question about a freon leak.
Yeah, his system is 4 years old, Tom, but just listen to his story. Dennis writes, the condenser fan came on and ran up to full speed, then it slowed down before it came to a full stop, and then it sped up again and continued this cycling up and down. The AC tech came and said that there is no freon inside the unit and found a leak at the aluminum coil and where the copper coil meets it. So they cut out some of the coils and put in a new compression fitting to make the connection and filled it with freon. But after 1 day, the same problem happened again. Is there another leak or is there another problem? What do you say, Tom?
Well, there's definitely a leak. Is there another one? Did they not fix that one right? Is there 100 leaks? I don't know. But if it leaked out, it leaked out. It's just the bottom line. So there is a leak. Now, that the fact of the matter that fan is going on and off like that is probably a variable speed unit, one of the newer, higher tech type units. But if you've ever had a car that didn't have enough freon and you hear the compressor going click, 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 and it's not getting cold because it's low on freon. It's the same thing your condensing unit's doing out there too, just like your car would do it if it was not fully charged like it was supposed to be. So it's pretty common for air conditioning systems of all kinds. But yes, the answer is easy. There is a leak. Find the leak and fix it. Even if you need a new coil or whatever, there's somewhere it's leaking out because it leaked out in less than 24 hours. So it's not one of those little tiny things.
Right.
This has got to be pretty substantial.
But it's a 4-year-old system, Tom. Isn't that kind of unreasonable that a 4-year-old system would have a leak like that?
Is it unreasonable? I won't use the word unreasonable. Did somebody do something wrong? Is there a warranty issue on the unit because maybe the compressor's
That's what I'm wondering.
Sometimes you get a defective unit, and if everybody stands behind it, yay, that's good. Sometimes you have an install problem where the guys didn't install it right, and now it's coming to bite, the homeowner. That happens too. But should it happen in 4 years? We don't want it to, and I've never had a leak in mine in 22 years. So once it's all said and done, it's fine. But I would probably, get the people that put it in to take care of it. And if there's a warranty issue on this thing, they need to back it up.
All right. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out too. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, send it in, and we'll answer it just like this. And we post a new one every day. We put them on our website, HomeShowRadio.com. We put them on our Facebook page, and we put them on our YouTube page.